Hello guys, in this tutorial we will write our first C program, that is to print hello world. And now first program to write is same for all programming languages, that is to print hello world. And now let's see the program to print hello world. First we write hash include stdio.h, then int main, curly braces open, then we write printf, in double quotes we write hello world, then semicolon, then return 0, then semicolon, then curly braces close. Now hash include stdio.h is used to include standard input-output library in C. Now this library contains the definition of the functions like main, printf, scanf, etc. And every C program must contains the main function. And int is the return type of main function. Using printf function, we will print the string hello world. It should be written in double quotes. And semicolon is used as a statement terminator in C. And we will learn about functions in more detail in upcoming lectures. And now let's compile and run this program in the C++ compiler. You can compile it using F9 and compile and run using F11. Now when we compile and run this program, this will print hello world. And now thanks for watching. If you like the video, then please subscribe our channel.